Hello, welcome and welcome back. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and I was just having myself a really quiet day off. It's Friday, kind of not feeling much like crafting, so I was just organizing some things, and then I hear a knock on the door, and it's the postman. And I got a return package from Brad and Anita in West Virginia. We sent them a package a while back, my sister and I, and so they have sent it the same exact box full back to us. Cost them $38.50 US. I don't have a way to accurately weigh it, but I can tell you how big the box is. I'll do it in inches. It's about 9.5 by about 12.5 by 4 inches high. So you could fit 8.5 by 11 sheets in here. I'm going to put it off to the side, then I'll pull the items out one at a time. So they've made an ATC with some of the cards that I sent them. Brad B, 25. Love and Wildflower. I knew you'd get around to doing it, Brad. And these are metal. Feels like they're magnetic. Yeah, they're magnetic butterflies. Brilliant colors. Oh, these, so you can put one on each side of your screen so you don't walk through the screen. I think that's what those are for. Because one has a magnet and the other one doesn't. So Kelly and I will share those. There's another ATC, Love and Wildflowers, on a black background with a purple, like a sunflower. Brad B, 25. Nice, Brad. And West Virginia Highway Map. Been wanting a new one of those. That looks like the exact same place we took pictures at. And then some Black Walnut Festival brochures from last year. My mom and I went to the Black Walnut Festival one year. It's in, I want to say Spencer. It doesn't say. Oh yeah, it's in Spencer. It's on the map. It's pinpointed on the map. Beautiful festival. Anyway, there's a herbs book and culinary guide. So how to cook with them, I guess. It's kind of cool. And what do we have here? A yellow West Virginia toboggan or toque. And a blue one. West Virginia colors. Very cool. And it looks like we have a vintage music book, souvenir book of songs, the Stephen Foster story of Bardstown, Kentucky. Died in 1864. So when was this printed? That's a cool old page. Anyway, it's full of music and it's got this really cool, it's a lot thicker than today's paper. It's thicker than most of the vintage music that I have too. Different kind of texture to it. So I really like that. I can use the heck out of this. Oh, look at that. Jeannie with the light brown hair. It's awesome when they have pictures and posters and stuff like that. This might be good quality paper to make envelopes with. So maybe I'll do a mass make of my envelopes that are covered with napkins. Because some of the ones that I make are pretty fragile. These would make really good ones. Unless my sister wants the music paper. I know she won't. She'll want these though, little bee makeup bags or pencil cases or whatever you want to put in it, cases. I wonder if Anita made these. There's no note inside or anything. I wouldn't be surprised to find out that Anita made these. So we have bees. Those, oh, and look at these. These ones would be for me. Possibly those for my sister, although we could share. And then we have a couple of coasters. Mug rugs. Cherries. And violets. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Then we have a little piece, a couple of pieces of selvage edge from fabrics, and I asked people to save these for me so I could do a masterboard out of them and or use them in collages. So they have the labels, all rights reserved, and all the colors that are used in that fabric. It's always on the edge if you hadn't noticed. So those were for me. And then we've got a little donut. Is this anything other than a little donut? It looks like it could be like a lipstick or something almost. A whole bunch of, oh, some of them got broken. Oh, I hope it wasn't a full set. A whole bunch of thimbles. My sister collects thimbles. So what are these? Virginia Beach. Myrtle Beach. A butterfly that says made in Taiwan. These are like porcelain ones. Another butterfly one. What is the other place ones here? South Carolina. Another butterfly one. It's too bad that some of them broke, but I don't imagine they were too precious. The bag says $2. And there's bound to be something break, eh? We got here Country Roads, West Virginia sticker. That's a treasure. And something wrapped up. Oh, these must be made by them too. Yeah, Merry Christmas 24, Brad Barnhouse, West Virginia, yellow and blue. I know he was cutting out those West Virginia shapes. And you know what? The paper, Brad. I'll use the paper. I'll make something with you for you out of this paper. And there's something else wrapped up in the same paper. It's a little thicker than tissue paper, and it's a little finer than Amazon paper. So I'm wondering where you got that, Brad. Maybe out of some shoes or something? And then here's two more of the West Virginias with the heart cut out in the middle. So I'm pretty sure Brad has been cutting these with his scroll saw or bandsaw. And those were made in 23. I think he makes something every year, like most of us do, kind of focus on one type of Christmas craft and do it. We have a few maple leaves, polyester maple leaves thrown in here. Probably trying to tell us we need to come home and see the leaves. Country Roads, West Virginia. And what's this? Barnhouse. Oh, he completed a survey, so he got free bookmarks. Those are neat. I want to know what survey you did so I can do it. And then looks like a couple of, yeah, he couldn't just send just one because we'd fight over it for sure. Almost Heaven, West Virginia tote bags. Awesome. We'll be sporting those proudly, you can bet. And then one more little piece of selvage. So that's awesome, Brad and Anita. Thank you very much, and thanks for the treat. Oh, we have to always throw in some little thing. It doesn't make much sense, but if there's a private joke there, let us know what it is. Yeah, I really like these bookmarks. Thank you very much for the sewing stuff and the woodworking stuff. That's awesome. And thanks for remembering to send me some authentic West Virginia memorabilia. If you find anything else West Virginia related, do send it along. We would love to make some artist trading cards and add some West Virginia touches to our ephemera that we're making for you guys. So thanks again, Brad and Anita, and let me know in the comments which one of my family members wants to swap next. If not, I'll get filling Brad's box back up again. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.